Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download Invoice from Alibaba. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on this icon, My Alibaba, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for my orders. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage your orders over here. You'll be able to see all the orders. So what you have to do is simply tap on the order that you would like to download the invoice of. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the order details interface. In the order details interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now under the section for order summary, right over here, you'll be able to find this option for view payment records. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the payment records interface. You'll be able to find your payment records over here. Right now, I do not have any payment records. If you have the payment records in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for downloading the invoice too. Simply find similar option and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to download the specific invoice and you'll be able to save it as a PDF. So like this, you'll be able to download it. So that is how you download invoice from Alibaba. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.